Mahigpit pong ipinagbabawal ang anumang pagpapakita ng pagsasang-ayon o pagtutol tulad ng pagpalakpak, pagsigaw, pagbu, pagpapakita ng mga placard o anumang kahalintulad na kilos sa loob ng bulwagan at sa galeriya. Hinihiling po natin ang pakikisa ng lahat upang mapanatili ang dignidad at wastong dekorum sa kapulungan at sa lahat ng
under the
oras.
Republic of
With
the Philippines.
255 members
That I will
voting
support
in
and
the
defend
affirmative,
the Constitution of the
26 against, 9 abstention. House Resolution number 989, together with the findings, conclusion, recommendations contained in Committee Report number 261 are hereby adopted.
Orders and decrees
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move that we recognize the Honorable Representative Bienvenido M. Abante Jr. of the 6th District of Manila to explain his vote.
and maintain
Representative
true faith and allegiance
Abante,
To the Republic
6th District
of the
Manila
Philippines.
is
to the
hereby
Republic of the
recognized.
Philippines,
And that I impose
Thank you,
this
Majority
obligation
Leader.
and that I impose this obligation
And take him, my
upon
dear
myself
Speaker.
voluntarily,
Psalms 11:3
upon myself
says,
voluntarily,
if the
without mental
foundation
reservation
be
or purpose
destroyed,
of evasion.
what can the
without
righteous
mental
do?
reservation
Today,
or purpose of evasion.
So
The
help me
whole
God.
of Congress has spoken.